Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad T10s and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the second place here we have the audio control, so let's tap on it. And we have access to this button, so here by tapping on it we can turn on the audio control and turn it off as we need, as you can see. And when we have this turn it on, we can pick from stages to take photos and speak loudly to take photos, so this option allows us to take a picture without touching the screen by saying some keywords. Now let me stay for example on stages to take photos. Let's go back to the camera and now let me try to use this. And let me try to take a picture by saying, for example, cheese. And as you can see, we have to be pretty loud that the device could hear us, but this is how it works. The picture was taken, so thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.